In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Discord. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are just going to open any browser in your system. And once you have done that, you are going to type into the search box for Discord and then hit enter. After that, you will probably see the official website of Discord on the top. So you're just going to click on that link to open the website. And once you are on the website of Discord, as you can see here that you have two options. First of all, you have the option to download Discord for your computer, and the second option you have is to open Discord in your browser. So if you want to use Discord in your browser, you can go with the second option, but I will suggest you to download it into your device. So for that, you're going to click on the first option which says download for Windows. Once you have done that, the Discord will start downloading in your device. And once it has been completed, you're going to navigate to the place where you downloaded your file. As I have downloaded my file into my download section, I'm going to go there, and in here, you should be able to see here the setup of Discord. So you're going to double click on that and just wait until the Discord has been installed into your device. And once it has been installed into your device completely, it will be opened instantly. Here, first of all, if you don't have an account yet, you're going to click on register, and then you're going to type in your email, display name, username, and password along with your date of birth. And once you have done that, you can then go to the section already have an account and just type in here the details of your account. And once you have typed in your email and password, you're going to click on login, and then your Discord account will be open. Here, first of all, I'm going to explain this interface to you. If you have some friends online, you will be able to see them on the front screen. And after that, if you see at the very left of the screen, you will be able to see here all the servers in which you are in. And after that, you will be able to see here all of your friends. And if you click on any of these servers from the left side of your screen, you will be able to see here all the channels of your server and the chat of your server on the front screen. So if you want to go back to the place where you were able to see your friends, you're going to click on this direct messages button located at the upper left side of the screen. And then again, you will be able to see here all of your friends. Now, if we go to any of our servers from the left side of our screen, here are the channels. So if you see any channel with hashtag in the starting, it means it is a text channel. And if you see any channel with the speaker icon on the starting, it means it is a voice channel. So in the text channels, you can chat with your friends, and in the voice channels, you can talk with your friends or listen to music. So if you want to talk with your friends, you're going to unmute your mic by clicking over here. And the second button we have is deafen. So if you click on this, you won't be able to listen any of the audios from your voice channel. So if you click on the third button, which is user settings, you will be redirected to your account settings. So first of all, as you can see here that you have a drop down menu of the left side of the screen from which you can scroll down or up to make changes of any of these settings. For example, if we go in the voice and video settings, you are able to change the input volume and output volume along with input device and output device. And once you have done that, you can just click on escape to go back to the previous screen. Also, if you want to see the members of your server, you can click on this button over here which says show member list. And once you have done that, you will be able to see here a list of your server members at the right side of your screen.